beautiful sun-soaked orchards are where you will find one of nature's most remarkable fruit, the peach. A nutritional powerhouse bursting with vitamins and minerals that have a plethora of health benefits. To get this delicious fruit to our plates without losing any of their goodness, they need the ultimate protection. In nature, peaches are blessed with a soft, velvety skin that protects the flesh. But once picked, it is a race against time. As each day passes and that velvety protective skin slowly begins to fail, the peach comes closer to becoming lost forever. Peaches deserve better. Steel food cans can store and protect peaches for a long time, ensuring that none of their goodness goes to waste. And when their job is done, steel cans do not become waste themselves. They are recycled into new products again and again and again. Peaches demand the best, and steel cans are equipped to protect and preserve.